Comrade General Secretary, comrade officers, all of the comrades on the platform, all the comrades in the audience, all the people of Jamaica who are listening, watching. First of all, I think it's my duty as a believer in democracy to acknowledge and concede the result and to congratulate our opponents, the Jamaica Labor Party, for their victory tonight.
To another episode of this channel, Current Gold CV, you see me? But guess what, people? Election day gone, you see me? And guess what? The Labour right them win again. You see me? I just saw it going on. You know when me always I tell them? You know, look, listen up. Me, I come from a long lineage of PNP. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna cap none at all. You see me? But me as a younger generation, I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna tell you right now, you see me on the hope, many years. Me not have a dog in this race. Brawling like that. Me not have a dog in this race. You see me? I saw me look on it. You see me? But the Labour right, them win again. You see me? And to tell you the truth, but no one say the man is a big thief. Mr. Holness probably one of the biggest thief them. You know, corruption and everything. Yeah, him thief people and money and everything. But make a black man do it. You see me? Make a black man thief. We're tired of the other people, them a pillage we. You see me? Me not care what no one say. Until you give somebody different or somebody where we not have to prove, say, I'm a Jamaican. You see me? Cause tell you the truth, you know, this two-party system, you know, work. You see me? Because it's like them give it a choice to pick shit out of the same pot. You see me? And I tell you know which one of the shit them better. I saw me preach, you know. You see me? Cause although Mr. Holness, him win it and everything. Me not like a bone of the man. But you have to give the man what is due to him. You see me? Give what is due to Caesar, what is due to Caesar. But see the development in the country. But we also see him a thief. You see me? But we don't know nothing about this Mr. Mark Golding. Look how long the man there in office from 2011, whatever. Him there in our government, in a Jamaica politics. And what they only does a bring him to the forefront. So this man is a British citizen. And all of a sudden now, we have to wonder if this man is a Jamaican or not. And we tell you the truth, we know them say out of many one people. But when time me look upon Mr. Mark Golding, me not see myself in him. And by right, you know, no man never see another man in himself. But education we are deal with over here, so. Him no look like most of the people them were in my community. Him no look like him know the pain of the people them in my community feel. You see me, him no know nothing about sufferation. Although, even if Mr. Holness, him come up in the era, you know, in middle class society. We know him is a black man and with that nose the way him have, we know say him get teasing over that nose there. Man nose big. So at least him have some, you see me, something where we can relate to. As some me I look on it. When Mr. Golden have where we can say, yeah man, you know, say we and that man they have that in a common. Nothing at all, you see me. I just saw it have say straight facts are facts. But no, nobody don't no found now like it. But you have to just say what it is, brother. You see me? The man whole life is a mystery. You hear what I say? Golden, Mr. Golden. You see me? Listen, you know. He was born in 1965 in Mona, St. Andrew, Jamaica, at the University Hospital of the West Indies. You see me? Alright. He is the younger of two children born to Patricia May Levy and Sir John Golding. You see me? His mother was born in England. Where she was born in England. The daughter of a Jamaican doctor from Westmoreland Parish and his Australian wife. You see me? So this other Jamaican doctor them a talk about, not because him a one Jamaican doctor. Him probably a one white Jamaican. You see me? When I walk on and say out of many one people, so we are geek that way. You see me? And then what else? What else? You know, Australian wife, you know, and his father was born in England and moved to Jamaica in 1953 where he became a pioneer orthopedic surgeon and rehabilitation physician. His paternal grandparents were Lithuanian Jews who arrived in the United Kingdom in the 1890s. Repeat, his paternal grandparents were Lithuanian Jews who arrived in the United Kingdom in the 1980s. And I have nothing to say about a man, but them three-letter word, that three-letter word, that's something we have to watch most of the time. You see me? Them chosen people are people we have to want, not just a bone line, just because of that. My bias, I swear you go. You see me? Me not see nothing where me can say, yo, blah, 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 bullshit, all of that. Me don't care what a man want to say. The man have nothing in common with none of the common Jamaican them. I'm about to know, me not care. I mean, I tell you, me a born PNP. You see me? Well, me not born PNP, me a born free think I'm using my own mind. You see me? And tell you the truth, me never born vagina again. So if none of them have nothing, we are going to help Jamaica, help me and my people. Guess what? We just stick to the side. You see me? Just sleep on the side. So no man can pick no side. You see me? You see me? A man can't even pick no side. God already give me two side. So I don't want no more side. So if nothing have no benefits, if nothing, none of them that have no benefits, forget towards Jamaican people, me know will benefit me and my sufferation people, them. We want to uplift and live good like them. We not do it. You know, we are stay with the two sides them we have. And Mr. Holness. Now because they win a third term, you sit down in and decide you have to thief the people them again. Because you already thief them numerous times. We have big Usain Bolt we want to thief in money. And that's embarrassing. You see me? So nobody go in there with the thiefness no more. Because I don't know when Jamaica got tired of one and just deplete the two party then. Because none of them will make one. You see me? As some me have to say it that. And next thing, you win and go, you go in there and say, you're going to make Jamaica a republic. We don't want none to deal with the English them. We need to cut ties from them. We not see no benefits for be part of them monarch or them commonwealth. That slavery thing that we're done with. I want walk on and I say, yeah, you know, I say, England and my daddy. I what kind of thing that? As proud Jamaican as we do, we don't have no word for you say to England. You know what I say? A man slap in your face, say I turn the cheek and make him slap in your face again. Eh? We don't know that. So we don't want to deal with no monarch. Or we don't recognize no King Charles around us. We don't know who him be. We don't know him be true. You see me? We don't want nothing to do with them devil. So make Jamaica start move forward. It a move forward already, but they need to put a jet booster pack on the back. We can't deal with it no more people. You see me? And that me I say. So put politics aside. The Labour Party win, me not happy, but me not sad. Cause me, as me say, me not have a dog in the race. Me not happy and me not sad. You see me? But me feel kind of better because me don't know nothing about golden. And me I tell you, me go from my PNP lineage. You see me? But me not done. No man not force me to pick no side. You see me? As me say, me have two side already. And if me not see no benefit in putting a X, no way me not put it. You see me? And I know say Andrew Holness is a black man. Cause I know they can hide. I don't know about golden. Sometimes him accent don't ever sound right. Him sound like one of them foreigner that will come here last week and I try to speak patois sometime. But I'm tired of it. We don't want to hear it, Mr. Golden. You see me, you need to move up and give somebody who look like the majority population in Jamaica. We're tired of one. We don't want no white daddy. You know what I say? We not even call my father daddy. We don't want none of that. We don't move up. So we don't want no white savior. You see me? I want to put you down in this area, so we need to move up. All I want. None I want to make one. But you see me, I say, smile Jamaica. Yeah, man. I'm out.
They say, yes, we see prosperity in some areas, but they want prosperity to come now to their community, to their driveway, and to their doorway. This government, in our third term, must be laser focused on ensuring that there is prosperity for all Jamaicans.